Hello everyone. Let's start today's video by taking the view of syllabus. Okay. So in my previous two videos of unit 2 we have seen what is the introduction of sensors and then we have seen light sensor in detail. In today's video we are going to start with the voltage sensor. So what is voltage sensor? Does anyone know what is voltage sensor and for what purpose it is going to be used? On your screen you are going to see the image of voltage sensor, how the voltage sensor is going to be look. Okay, so this is the image for voltage sensor. You can see here on the top, let me better. You can see here these two pins are there. You can insert the ground and voltage pin here. You can also plug the cables here. Okay, so we are going to see now the elaborative diagram for this voltage sensor. So this is the top view of the voltage sensor. Here you have seen a side view. Okay, so this is the side view of the voltage sensor and this is the top view. Okay, from the top you are going to see now. So this is the ground cable and this is the voltage cable you are going to insert here, and then this is the analog pin, this is the battery pins, that is anode, and this is cathode. Okay, so this is what all about the voltage sensor. So what exactly a voltage sensor is? Voltage sensors are wireless tools that can be attached to any other assets. Like just I have told you, the plugs are there to insert the pin, means independent voltage sensor is the wireless device. You can attach it, okay, by plugging the pins. So voltage sensor are wireless tools that can be attached to any number of assets, machineries, equipment, etc. So they provide 24/7 monitoring. Okay, so once they are attached to any of the other assets or equipment or machinery, they are going to now monitor 24/7, constantly watching for the voltage data that could be indicates a problem. Okay, so whatever the voltage you require for particular asset, suppose 5 volt, 25 volt, so it is going to be take care of that there should not be voltage incoming or inward more than 25 volt. Okay, so low voltage may signal a potential issue. You can't bear low voltage also, as you are not going to bear more than 24 volt. Low voltage is also dangerous, okay, for particular asset if you are giving some conditions like this. So low voltage may signal a potential issue while other assets may be danger when voltage is too high. Okay, so if we set we require 25 volts, so we are not going to bear even low voltage and even high voltage too. Okay, so how does voltage sensor work? Listen me carefully. A voltage sensor is a sensor used to calculate and monitor the amount of voltage in an object. For whatever the asset you have connected this wireless device, this device. For whatever the asset you have connected this device, like these battery terminals, like this battery terminal you have connected, where for giving the current and voltage, passing the voltage current, and just for the asset we have connected here, that for what you require 24 volt. Okay, so it is now ready to monitor that particular asset 24/7. Okay, for what? To calculate or to monitor the amount of voltage in an object. Okay, voltage sensor can determine the AC voltage and the DC voltage level too. How does voltage sensor work? The input of this sensor is voltage, whereas the output is the switches or analog voltage sensor or a current signal or a audible signal. So how do you use a voltage sensor? Where you are going to be used? So on your screen you can see one image. Okay, you can see here one image that a person has holding some instrument in his hand. Okay, so read the quote with me at below of the image. By holding the tester, you are the ground reference through capacitive coupling just to touch the tip to a terminal strip outlet or a supply cord. When the tip glows red, the until beeps. Okay, so have you, anyone has seen tester in his house? So how the tester is going to work is there is particular voltage supply is there to check. We are just touching the tip of our tester there, and if the tester LED glows means the voltage is passing. Okay, so this is another very important use of the voltage sensor. So voltage sensor is a sensor used to calculate and monitor the amount of voltage in an object. Means is the current or voltage is passing from that particular object. So that for checking that also we are going to use the voltage sensor. Voltage sensor can determine AC voltage or DC voltage level. Yes, the input of this sensor in the voltage. What? The input of this sensor is the voltage, whereas the output is what? Switches, analog voltage signal, current signal, or any audible signal. That's it for today's video. Thank you.